extend our hearty welcome to everyone present here. We welcome our worthy chief guest, Ms. Archana Ma'am, Reverend Father Alan, Brother Ambrose, sisters, coordinators, dear teachers, and my loving students.
Very grateful for your presence. Our hearts are filled with pride and honor to have the presence of such a great and inspiring personality.
Now I request Father Principal to present a sapling, a gift as a token of love and appreciation.
और देशभक्ति का अभिमान है.
Now we will initiate our celebration with the flag unfurling ceremony. Let us all join in paying tribute to the national flag, the symbol of our pride and unity. We request our chief guest, Ms. Archana Ma'am, Father, Brother, to kindly come forward for the unfurling of the flag. As the flag unfurls, I ask everyone to pay a salute to our national flag. The young marchers take center stage, dressed in their immaculate uniform and moving in perfect synchronization. They showcase the value of leadership, commitment, and teamwork that our school upholds. With heads held high and eyes filled with determination, they march forward representing the hopes and dreams of a brighter future.
January 1950. On this day, our constitution came into effect. The Indian constitution is the longest in the world. It consists of preamble and 470 articles, which are categorized into 25 parts. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is called the father of the constitution. It's a big book of rules that tells us how our country is to be run. When India became a republic, it meant that we could make decisions for ourselves. We no longer had to depend on others. This freedom is a gift, but it comes with responsibilities. Every year, Republic Day is celebrated with great enthusiasm all over the country. The grand parade in New Delhi at Rajpath is a beautiful display of India's unity in diversity. Soldiers march with pride. Cultural dances from different states are performed and new technologies are shown. The theme for the tableaus at the Republic Day Parade 2025 has been decided as Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas, Golden India, Heritage and Development. They will showcase India's progress in various sectors like technology, infrastructure, and cultural heritage.
Today we come together to reaffirm our commitment to the ideas and principles that form the foundation of our great nation. The preamble to the Constitution is not just a set of words. It is the soul of our democracy, embodying the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. I now invite everyone to join in the solemn recitation of the preamble with pride in our hearts and a promise to uphold its value in our daily lives. I request everyone to please stand. You will recite after me. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist,
socialist,
secular,
secular,
democratic,
democratic,
republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constitute, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Hands down.
जियो धर्म के नाम पर ना मरो धर्म के नाम पर इंसानियत ही है धर्म वतन का बस जियो वतन के नाम पर गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन प्रेजेंट हियर वी विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे
faith in our heart, memories in our soul. With this compelling quote, India is celebrating its 76th Republic Day today. It is one of the most important national events of India. Being Indian is an identity and being in Republican is a country's identity. We take pride to informing you that this year India celebrates its 76th Republic Day. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate Republic Day, a momentous occasion in our nation's history. On 26 January 1950, India became a republic, adopting its own constitution. This day symbolizes our freedom, unity, and commitment to democratic values. A constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949 and enforced on 26 January 1950. A constitution is a testament to the wisdom, foresight, and perseverance of our founding fathers. It is a document that enshrines the fundamental right for every citizen, regardless of caste, creed, or religion. It ensures that every individual has the right to equality, justice, and liberty. A constitution is a living document, a dynamic framework that has guided a nation's progress and development over the years. It has been amended several times to reflect the changing needs and aspirations of a society. This day reminds us of the freedom struggle and all the contributions of valiant and devoted freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives to help us gain independence. Today, we can enjoy many rights and privileges as the citizens of this country only due to Constitution.
Leaders belonging to variety of different cultural, ethnic, and linguistic backgrounds took part in heated debates in order to make the draft of the constitution more inclusive and fair for the citizen from all walks of life. Finally, our constitution was adopted on 26 January 1950. The credit of drafting the constitution was given by B.R. Ambedkar, who was considered as the chief architect of the drafting committee. India's constitution is considered as one of the best and longest written in the world. Republic Day of India witnesses shades of vigor and patriotism every year. The main celebration is held at the Rajpath in New Delhi before the President of India. Major attraction of the day is the well practiced and well executed Republic Day Parade, known for its precision and synchronization. The parade is organized by the Ministry of Defense, which commences from the gates of Rashtrapati Bhavan till past the India Gate. It is also diligently recorded and broadcasted across the nations. This parade appreciates the diversity across different states through the tableaus dedicated to every state. On this day, school and colleges organize tricolor flag hosting and cultural functions. Not only that, it also pays tribute to all the regiment of army and other military forces working to keep the nation safe and secure. On this occasion of 76th Republic Day, let us celebrate the Freedom Express, live our life with proud. We make us proud to say that we are Indian citizens. On this Republic Day, let us vow to make our nation strive towards development and success. Let us salute our Mother India. Indian tricolor always fly high. Proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
Have. Music is a piece of art that goes in the ears straight to the heart. So I invite Jason sir with his group who will fill our hearts with melodious tunes, spreading joy and sense of patriotism.
दी में मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका ओ वतनावे मेरे वतनावे तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना अब तो हमें साथी इतना ही कहना अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना अब तो हमें साथी इतना ही कहना अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना जो भी हो पागल बन के पर्वत पर है जाना कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं जोश दिल में जगाते चलो जीत के गीत गाते चलो जोश दिल में जगाते चलो जीत के गीत गाते चलो अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं
Dear teachers, for such a wonderful strings of melodies. Your voices melted our hearts. Everyone, please give them another big round of applause. Miss Radhika of class 7 to come on stage and deliver her speech.
तो फिर से आज वो नज़ारा याद कर लें शहीदों के दिल में थी वो ज्वाला याद कर लें जिससे बहकर आज़ादी पहुंची थी किनारे पर, देशभक्तों के खून की वो धारा याद कर ले, देशभक्तों के खून की वो धारा याद कर ले। सर्वप्रथम देश की आज़ादी के लिए अपने प्राण न्यौछावर करने वाले शूरवीरों और गणतंत्र के संस्थापकों को मैं राधिका शत शत नमन करती हूँ और यहाँ उपस्थित सभी श्रोतागण का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। आज हम देश का 76वां गणतंत्रता दिवस मना रहे हैं। गणतंत्र भारत के 75 वर्षों में हमारे देश ने चहुमुखी विकास किया है। देश की युवा पीढ़ी की सकारात्मक ऊर्जा के परिणाम स्वरूप आज हमारा देश उन्नति के पथ पर अग्रसर है। मगर इस विकास के साथ साथ बहुत से युवा कहीं न कहीं भटक रहे हैं। जहां हमारे देश के युवा खेल, तकनीक, विज्ञान, व्यापार में विश्व स्तर पर ख्याति प्राप्त कर रहे हैं, तो वहीं कुछ युवा नशे और अपराध की दुनिया में प्रसिद्ध हो रहे हैं। इस विकास के साथ साथ होते हुए विनाश का सबसे बड़ा कारण है शिक्षा के साथ संस्कारों का न होना। शिक्षा हमें रोजगार देती है, लेकिन संस्कार तो हमें अपने परिवार और समाज से ही प्राप्त होते हैं, जिनमें शिक्षकों को तो राष्ट्र निर्माता की संज्ञा दी गई है। ये हमारे शिक्षक ही हैं जो राष्ट्र निर्माण में अहम भूमिका अदा करते हैं। आज मैं महान कवि कुमार विश्वास जी की 2 पंक्तियां आपके समक्ष रखना चाहती हूँ। लगा अगर गेहूं में कीड़ा तो बाहर से मंगवा लेंगे, लगा अगर गेहूं में कीड़ा तो बाहर से मंगवा लेंगे, भुना हुआ चरित्र देश का तो इसे कहाँ से लाएंगे, भुना हुआ चरित्र देश का तो इसे कहाँ से लाएंगे। महान कवि कुमार विश्वास जी इन पंक्तियों के द्वारा यह संदेश देना चाहते हैं कि अगर हमारे देश का अनाज खराब हो गया तो हम इसे बाहर दूसरे देशों से मंगवा लेंगे, लेकिन हमारे देश की युवा पीढ़ी का चरित्र खराब हो गया तो हम इसकी भरपाई कहाँ से कर पाएंगे। आज मैं अपने देश की युवा पीढ़ी से यह कहना चाहूँगी कि वह अपने आदर्श और संस्कार कभी न भूले। आज हमें मानव बनकर जीना सीखना होगा। यही हमारे देशभक्तों और राष्ट्र निर्माताओं का सपना था। हम जो भी करें, हमारी सोच और कदम राष्ट्र हित में होने चाहिए। दया, विनम्रता, सहिष्णुता जैसे दिव्य गुण हमारी भारत भूमि के संस्कार रहे हैं। हमें चाहिए कि हम इन विचारों के साथ चलें और इंसानियत को अपनाएं। संस्कार, संस्कृति और शान मिले, ऐसे हिंदू, मुस्लिम और हिंदुस्तान मिले। रहे हम सब ऐसे मिलजुल कर कि मंदिर में अल्लाह और मस्जिद में भगवान मिले। रहे हम सब ऐसे मिलजुल कर कि मंदिर में अल्लाह और मस्जिद में भगवान मिले। तो मैं आप सबसे यह संकल्प चाहती हूँ कि हम सब मानव धर्म का पालन करेंगे और इंसानियत को अपनाएंगे। अगर आज छोटे बच्चे से भी यह पूछा जाए कि आप बड़े होकर क्या बनेंगे, तो हर बच्चे के मुख से यह आवाज़ आनी चाहिए, हम बड़े होकर अच्छा और सफल इंसान बनेंगे। हम बड़े होकर अच्छा और सफल इंसान बनेंगे। इसी के साथ आप सभी को गणतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक तुझमें जान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक तुझमें जान है। धन्यवाद।
A few of you came forward and beautifully shared his quoted words. We would like to felicitate all those students today. So I request our Father Principal to come up on the stage and felicitate our dear students. Nidhi from class 11th.
Congratulations to all the prize winners. Shall we all give them another round of applause? Now we are honored to request you to come on the stage and share your experience that will inspire us to contribute in building a stronger and brighter future.
Cheerful morning to everyone. As we gather to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of our great nation, I feel privileged to stand before you. First of all, I would like to thank Reverend Father Alan Gonzalez, the principal and management team, for giving me this honor as the chief guest of this momentous occasion. As a pre-primary teacher, I work with young, curious minds every day. And when I look at you, my dear student, I see hope for the future. You are the leaders, innovators, and change maker of tomorrow. Republic Day is a perfect time to reflect on how we can contribute to the growth and development of our country. Students, have you ever wondered what makes a republic strong? It's not just laws or policies, it's the people. People who are honest, responsible, and committed to their duties. Whether it's respecting the environment, helping someone in need, or simply be kind to others, every action matters. So, my message for all the young minds sitting here, you are the future of India. Dream big, work hard, and always stay rooted in the values of unity and kindness. Never forget the sacrifice of our freedom fighters and the vision of our founding father. With these words, I extend my heartfelt wishes to everyone here. May our tricolor always fly high, and may we always strive for a better, stronger, and more united India. Jai
As
Hind.
we draw close to the end of today's celebration, take a moment to thank each one of you for being a part of this special day. To express our gratitude, I call Ms. Renu ma'am to come and deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. It is a matter of immense pride and honor to deliver the vote of thanks on the auspicious occasion of Republic Day celebration. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Almighty God for His blessings and our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Ashna Thakur ma'am, gracing this event with her presence and inspiring us with her thought provoking words. Your valuable insight have added the great significance to this occasion. I extend my sincere thanks to our principal, Reverend Father Allen, for his support and guidance in organizing this program. Your encouragement has been the backbone of this celebration. A special thanks to our staff and volunteers who have worked hard and dedication have made their event a grand success. Your efforts are truly commendable. To the performance and participants, you have filled this day with the energy, patriotism, and vibrant cultural display. Your performance were not just entertaining but also a powerful reminder to our unity in diversity. Finally, I thank the students for their discipline throughout the program. You are the future of our nation, and your energy and passion today have been truly inspiring. As we leave this venue, let us carry forward the spirit of patriotism and work together to build a brighter, strong India. Once again, thank you all. Jai Hind and Jai.
Take the essence of today with us and continue to work for the good of our country.
ये नफरत बुरी है,
ना पालो इसे,
दिलों में खलिश है,
निकालो इसे,
ना इसका ना उसका,
ना तेरा ना मेरा,
ये वतन है सबका।
बचा
नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, नशा ये हिंदुस्तान के सम्मान का है। Let's take pride in our nation. Let's celebrate its achievements. Happy Republic Day.